Tech World. Today I am going to show you how to perform routing in Angular CLI, mainly on Angular 2. So at first, what I have done, I have created one Angular CLI project. You can check our other videos to know how to create an Angular CLI ready-made boilerplate code. So this is our code. This is now running. So this code has only one single component now, and it's showing the output app works. Now what we will do, we will create three more components: home, about us, and contact us, and then we will route using Angular 2 routing. So let's begin. At first we need to create three more I should create three more components. One is home component, one is about us component, and one is contact us component. You can easily create component using this command. Angular CLI has inbuilt feature like ngg component space component name. So what it will do, it will create one new component named home in our application, and it will link those in our app.module.ts. So all the things will be done by Angular CLI. We don't need to think anything about it. So let's wait, and it will create one new component called home. Yeah, you can check that the home component is created, and it says it's also update the app.module.ts file. So I will create one more component named about. You can see it creates four files. One is CSS file, one is HTML file, one is spec file for writing test cases, and one is component.ts file, TypeScript file for it works like a controller, and it's also update it on app.module.ts file. I will create another component called contact. Yeah, so we already created three components: home, about, and contact. So just check it. You can check in your app.module.ts file. Three new components are created, and all the things are already written by Angular CLI in app.module.ts file. You can check that: home component, about component, contact component. Fine. So these are the three components: home, contact, and about. These are the HTML5. About works. Fine. Now what I will do, I will put three anchor link in our main page. So our main bootstrapping component, you can check in app.module.ts file that our main bootstrap component is app component. So what I will do, I will create three anchor tags or anchor link in app component HTML file. So let's open the app component HTML file. Here it is. You can see. So just what we will do, we will write three anchor tag for navigating to the different component. Let me paste it. Here. Fine. Here it is. What I will have done, I take three anchor link: one for home, one for about me page, and one for contact us page. Yeah, we need this thing router link for routing purpose, and we need to add one more thing. We need to use this directive router outlet. Fine. So what is the work of router outlet? Suppose I am clicking on this home. So the view of home or home component HTML will load in this router outlet. So the whole page will, the main concept of routing is single page application. That means whole page will not be refreshed, only the portion, only the router outlet portion will be refreshed. Fine. Now for using the router module, we need to import the router module in our app.ts file. So let's open app.ts file, app.module.ts file. This is it. We need to import the router module at first. Yeah, fine, it is now imported. then we need to declare it. So we need to declare like this for root. Let me copy it, then I will explain it. I paste it. So let's check it, what I have written here. We put one comma here. Fine. So in this router module, what I have done, I just mentioned for which path should I should redirect to which component. For if I click on the home, it will redirect to the home component. If I click on contact, it will redirect to contact component. Fine. Similarly, if I click on about, it will go to the about component. And if you have not put anything blank, for by default it will redirect to the home. Home means here it is, home component, and it's matched the whole path. If I have for rest of the URL, it will automatically redirect to home component. So just check it once again. I have what I have mentioned. For home, it will redirect to home. For contact, it will redirect to contact. For about, it will redirect to about. And if I have not provided anything, then it will redirect to home component. Fine. So we are done with it. Now what I will do, I will just start our application using ng serve command. It will take some times. Let's wait. Yeah, you can check that our application is now running. It's compiled successfully. Let's open localhost 4200. Let's wait. Yeah, let's open. Once I refresh the page, and you can see it's showing this app works. And I put 3 links here: go to home, go to about me page, and go to contact us page. So let's check. Whenever I click, it's showing about works. It's only replace the router outlet portion. Whenever I click on contact us page, it shows the contact works. Suppose I am giving contact 2. Sorry. Suppose I am writing localhost 4200 / contact 5. You know that there is no URL for contact 5, so it will automatically redirect to home. So if any of the URL will not is not matched, then it will redirect to the home component by default. If I only put this slash, it will also redirect to the home component, as I mentioned in the router module section declaration. So that's all for this video. You can check it's working fine. If you like this video, please like this video and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.